Looking to purchase from UE Systems online at shop.uesystems.com? Let's walk through how to create your account. It only takes a minute. First things first, which product are you looking for today? Browse our solutions and select the one that fits your needs. Found it? Great. Just add the product to your cart. Now, head over to your cart to review your order. Don't have a UE Systems account yet? No problem. During checkout, simply click Create One here to set it up right away. Prefer to register first? You can also create your account directly by visiting our registration page and filling in your details. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your private dashboard, where you can track orders, view invoices, and manage all your future purchases in one place. So, ready to get started? Create your UE Systems account today and enjoy a faster, smoother purchasing experience.